I'm Pablo González. I'm production manager here at Extral. We're a company who does aluminum collapsible tubes, laminate tubes, ABL, PBL, and labels as well. So what started happening with us and what the leadership in the company knew was that training was one of the most important things for us to get a good product, to deliver quality, and to be a good supplier for our customers. At least here in Mexico, everyone does what they want to do and no one follows rules, and we're not used to following rules and doing the steps in a way that we should be doing them. What this is bringing, at least, or this is attempting to do, is to standardize procedures and at the end of the day, don't let people or not letting people do whatever they want. Just follow step by step what they have to do, and if you do that in that order, you'll get the right result. So the changeovers in particular are really important for us, because if you do that right from the first time, the line will work perfectly for a long period of time and you won't have to readjust anything. If that is done correctly, the line will churn out tubes throughout the whole day and scrap will go down. So productivity goes up and scrap goes down. So we saw mainly another option that was mostly focused on virtual reality. And in our case, we wanted it to be more hands-on and that you could see things like they are on the line. So we used tactile because we could touch things, we could see things as they were in real life and train in real things in our real production lines. So that helped us to get a real feel of what we wanted to learn. Our processes are pretty long, but at the end we get the same result every time. The 3D aspect is super important for us as well. Actually telling people what they have to do, where they have to do it, which things they have to move around. That's super important because it just mitigates the risk to have errors on the changeovers. The future is definitely spatial computing, and training people on plants with this is going to definitely make things easier for, I think, for every company around the world.